cloudy and rainy day. That's why I decided to come here to my backyard because temperature is great. So if in the middle of the video you can hear thunder or some other noises, please don't worry. Today I will preparing one of my favorite recipes. It's roast pork. We here in Cuba eat pork in every special occasions, weddings, New Year's Eve, and today I will be showing you how to prepare it. Here are the ingredients: pork, olive oil, black pepper, oregano, garlic, salt, cumin, sour orange. To begin this recipe, first of all, I will marinate the pork. How can I do it? Easy, preparing a Cuban special mojo. First step, squeezing a sour orange. I will show you. I have here the squeezed sour oranges, and now I'm going to add the other ingredients: a pinch of cumin, pinch of oregano, garlic, and salt to taste. Now I will add black pepper. This is very important. I love black pepper, so you can add it, depends on your taste. So once I have everything mashed here, the last ingredient I will add is the oil olive. Just a little bit. Match it again. So I have a Cuban traditional mojo here ready to marinate the pork, and I will do it right now, and I will show you how to do it. I will do it with my hands. This side of the pork. It's very easy. Then this side. With your hands. It's like a massage. Ready? And now I will be using this to introduce some mojo inside of the meat. So this pork is already marinated, and I will be sealing this platter with this plastic wrap, and I will put it into the fridge overnight till tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna bake it into the oven. So it must be into the fridge all night. Ready. Hello, good morning. Today I'm so happy because one of my favorite dishes is almost ready. The first thing I did is to put this out of the fridge, turn the oven on in 300 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to add some water to the bottom of my bowl to get a better cooking and to avoid it burns. And now I'm going to seal the meat with this aluminum foil. Just to cover this. And I will put it now into the oven. I'm gonna open it and very carefully I will put it into there. I will be shaking the meat every 45 minutes and will be turning the meat. The pork is already into the oven, but I'm gonna give you a tip. The secret of the Cuban roast pork is to bake it slowly, so don't rush and be patient. 3 hours and this is ready and I'm super eager to taste it. Are you ready? Remove the foil to get the meat brown. So here I have one of my favorite dishes, roast pork. It smells exquisite. Can't wait to have my dinner.